we are playing hallway hockey. Thomas is in net. Getting ready for the big game. Jacob, are you going to score?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's see. Take some shots here. Oh, nice save. Nice save by Thomas. Another good. So it snuck by. Oh, weak shot, weak shot. Get the rebound. Oh, and it's in.
You're better with Mommy, but not here.
Well, Jacob's starting to raise it.
I guess Jacob has better shots than Mommy. Oh, Thomas, there it is. You got it. Get on it. Oh, Jacob's bringing it back out, going in for the rebound. Where'd it go? We got a puck down. Missing puck.
Yes.
Show me your best goalie stance.
What? Goalie stand?
No,
Yeah.
hand out.
How are you gonna stand?
Hand out. That's it. Make
Okay.
yourself bigger. Make yourself bigger.
Oh, here comes Jacob.
You skinny little.
Coming in, coming in, coming in hot.
Nice save.
And nice save by Wickets McGickets. Get back up.
Wickets Jackson. Oh, nice save.
Oh, nice shot.
Okay.